Hi, welcome back to the Spring Boot tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about the @AutoWire annotation with an example. So @AutoWire annotation is not specific to Spring Boot. In fact, it is a part of the Spring framework. So let's understand with an example. So the purpose of @AutoWire annotation is to auto-wire the bean without creating an object using the new keyword. It can be applied to a constructor, field, or a setter method. So let's understand with a simple words. So first and foremost, we all know that Spring beans are managed and they live inside a container called application context. We all know that. So which means that the context instantiate the object, which means the context will create the objects. We are not the developers. We are not going to create the objects using the new keyword. The context will create the objects. The container finds each injection point and sets an instance there. So that's the purpose of @AutoWire annotation. Again, in order to understand the @AutoWire annotation, we have to look into an example. So let's jump into STS and create a Spring Boot project, and let's understand with an example. I have already created the project AutoWire annotation, and I have created few packages, controller, entity, and services. So if we open the pom.xml, I have added the DevTools dependency and the starter web dependency. The DevTools, which is for the live reloading, and the starter web, we are using the Spring MVC. And now inside this, let's create a entity. I'm going to create a customer entity. Let's annotate this with the @entity. In fact, we don't need the entity at all, @the entity, because we are not persisting this with the database. So we don't need @entity annotation. So let's create a fields, private long ID, private string name, private long age, private string location. Let's quickly create the setters and getters. I will also create the toString method. Okay, so now we have created the model class or the entity class. Let's create a service. So inside this, I'm going to create a static block, and I'm going to load a few objects. Okay, and I'm also going to create a list, an empty list, private static list of customers. I'm going to call this list new array list. Let me import the list, and I will add it to the list. Alright, so now we have a list of customers. Now let's create a method, public. This is going to return a list of customers, get list. Let me return the list. So let's save this. Now let's quickly create the controller, customer controller. And by the way, we have to annotate this with the @service annotation, so that when the customer service has been created, we can we can create a bean for this customer service. So let's go to the customer controller, and I'm going to annotate this with the at rest controller. And inside this public list customer get list, let me auto wire the customer service. And I'm going to add the auto wire annotation. Let me import the list and the auto wired and the rest controller annotations. So let me make use of the customer service to call the get list method. So let me return this. So let's save this, and let me save this customer service as well. As you can see, we have annotated this with auto wired annotation, which means that whenever the customer, let me import this as well, which is the add service annotation. So whenever the customer service has been created, we're going to auto wire this customer service with this auto wired annotation. Okay, so let's save this, and now let's go to the main class and right click run as a Spring Boot application. Okay, so we forgot one more thing, which is we have to add the request mapping. So add get mapping /list. So let me import the add get mapping as well. Let me save this. So this will restart the application again. Okay, so now let's go to the browser, open a new tab, localhost 8080 /list, and you can see we are getting the response, the customer list, and this is what the purpose of auto wired annotation. So we are creating a bean. Without using the new keyword. So that's the beauty of auto wired annotation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.